Good morning, children. Today's subject is science. Today we are going to see the next part of lesson number 12, that is simple machines. Last period we started the lesson number 12, simple machines. In that we have studied machines and simple machines and complex machines and their examples. Now today we have to see the next part of the simple machine, the detailed study of simple machine. So let's see. Now let us learn about some simple machines. An inclined plane. Observe the picture. See in the picture that truck is there, and in that truck we have to load a drum. A heavy drum is to be loaded onto a truck. Now Ravi chose a plank A. One boy is there, Ravi, and he chose the plank A to load the drum onto a truck. While Hamid, another boy, is there. He chose the plank B. Observe the picture carefully. See the shape, size of the plank. And Rahi, one girl, is there. She did not use a plank at all. Without a plank only, she have to load a drum onto a truck. Now see one question. Who would find the drum heaviest to load? As we observe it carefully, for Ravi or Hamid or for Rahi, who would find the drum heaviest to load? Yes. To whom would find the drum heaviest to load? To Rahi. To Rahi. And second question, who would find it lightest? Who would find it lightest? Yes, for Ravi, Hamid or Rahi? For Ravi. Yes, for Ravi. Now why is this happen? See, which one of the plank A and a B is longer? Which one of the plank A and B is longer? Which one A is longer or B is A is a longer plank? Which one has a steeper slope? Yes, which one has a steeper slope? Steeper means short slope. Which one has a steeper slope? A plank B has a steeper slope. So what we conclude from this? See, if a slanting plank is used to lift a weight, we have to bear a less of the weight and lifting it becomes easier. Such a plank is called an inclined plane. So the slanting plank. So because of which it is easy to lift a weight. It is easy to lift a weight. The more gradual the slope, the lesser is the weight we bear. As there is a slope is having the more, if the slope is more gradual, then we have to feel the less weight. But such an inclined plane is a longer. The steeper the slope, if that plank is a short, then it is called steeper the slope. The shorter the inclined plane, but we have to bear a greater weight. So in this case we have to bear a greater weight. Okay, so this is about the inclined plane. Now let's try this. Cut out a triangular piece of paper. One paper we have to take and cut it in a triangular shape. And ABC. Draw a red line. We have to draw a red line along the edges AC. Now roll this paper around a pencil as shown in the picture. One pencil we have to take and roll this paper around a pencil as shown in the picture. We have to observe the line of this red line on the pencil. We have to observe as shown in the picture. The inclined side AC of the triangle descends gradually from A to C. The threads on a screw are made in the same way. As we observe the pencil, we have observed their line like a same of a screw. As we observe lines on a screw, so it looking like a lines of a screw. That is why when a screw is fitted in a wood, it goes in as if it is going down an inclined plane. Therefore, less force is required to fit a screw than to hammer, as that screw have the lines So it is easy to rotate the screw and fix it properly, as they have the lines on that. So here we need to apply the less force. Therefore, less force is required to fit a screw than to hammer a nail. In other words, a screw is like a rolled up. In other words, the screw is like a rolled up inclined plane made up of an iron strip. Now a winding road or a ghat, everyone know the ghat or winding road that goes up a mountain is also like an inclined plane. So see, observe the picture. See, observe the picture, they are having the winding road. It helps big vehicles to climb up and down the mountain easily as they have the winding road or a ghat. So it's like a inclined plane only. It's like a inclined plane. So it is easy to climb up or down from the mountain easily. Now observe and discuss. Two routes, namely a pathway and a road, are available to climb the mountain shown in the picture. Now compare the time and strength and your convenience required to reach the mountain top. So which one is easy? The pathway or road? So which one is easier? For which one required the more time and required the more strength to reach their top? That we have to find. As here having the winding road or a ghat, it is easy to convenient to reach their top. Okay, it required the less time and less strength. Okay, now the remaining part we will see in a next video.